I believe that President Obama is succeeding with his health care. As I go around on a daily basis, I do an informal polling and I'm asking people what they think of the health care plan. And many of them don't have any health care and they think that any health care is better than none. Now, I lived in Canada and I had no problem. I had two bouts of, or three bouts of ulcers, and I just checked into the hospital and that was it. I had to pay for the ambulance once or twice, but that's it. Um, I had to pay for the dentist. I had to pay for a specialist to do some tests on me, but generally, basic healthcare is free. Now, we're, as according to the president, and it seems that this is true, that we are having no universal health care, but yet our costs are larger than the nations that offer universal health care, about twice. Now, individuals are saying that our system is driven by the money motivation, and this is why we have all these developments and all that stuff. But then recently they're saying that folks are now shifting to India, and India is the place where uh, medical innovation is happening. Now, I'm not sure if India is where you could make all the money from medicine, but what I do know is that they have a different educational system, and education is crucial to invention. If you don't have an education, it's very unlikely that you could invent anything, because usually it draws in a variety of things that you've studied and experienced and you have observed from a professional way. And mind you, there are individuals who have invented things who don't have an education, but that's just rare. The norm is that you have to have a solid education, and the folks in India, they memorize the whole book because education is the pathway up, and so they have to study hard to get up. And so, coming back to the issue of healthcare, I think that it's going to succeed because many individuals, it's just as if it's the election time again. Those who wouldn't have voted for him think that it's a problem and they don't want to support it just because it's him. But the majority again will realize that this is a noble move, it's going to help us all, and they're going to vote for it. I'm sure it's going to pass. Healthcare, universal healthcare for everyone.